And over the last 1 year, when COVID happened and people started falling sick, and I got a lot of messages, and I shared this meditation, healing meditation, and they started doing it. They took treatment and everything. And there are many, even doctors in our awesome tribe who are frontline workers, and they were like working all through the year, and they have also gone through a lot of challenges. So over the time, I realized that yes, people are recovering, but this mental toll, this emotional toll that you said, that is there, and that is very much common with almost everyone. They are taking time to really come out of it. Really, so I was helping people to how to recover from it, like how to shift that, like made some changes in the brain level, like through meditation, through shifting the visuals that is there. Like when we are struggling with especially mental health, what is the one of the common or maybe the two common aspect of it, like worry and fear, right? And what are worry and fear? Worry and fear are like imagining all the wrong outcome, right? Or keep on dwelling on the past, like, okay, I fall sick, or I lost that particular person, and all these things has gone wrong. And so mind is still living, like body has recovered, but mind is still living in that painful experience. And it's keep on visualizing the same thing. So one of the best way to reset the mental health and emotional health and healing from emotional trauma is, like, we have to change the visuals that we have fed inside our mind. So one of the best ways to reset, like rewire the brain. And we have to go to that deeper level in a very peaceful way, very calm way, not by fighting, because we cannot go inside the mind and fight with it and change it. That may work for a while, but we need a proper process to go deep and reset and rewire and re-energize. And at the same time, one of the best ways to then connect with it is breathing. Like there is a certain process of breathing if we can do, because during the COVID, all of us realized probably the most important organ in our body is our lungs, right? Probably before that, we hardly hearing about it. Like everyone was talking about like brain, heart and everything. But during this time, we realized probably the most important organ is the lungs. So why that is the breathing part. That's why in yoga, like from thousands years, they have always emphasized on different breathing techniques, because that breathing connect with our emotion, like this connection between body and mind, it flows through breathing. So that's why whenever we get angry or very stressful, you have observed that our breathing gets faster. And whenever we are very peaceful and in a flow state, our breathing is very slow and deep, because we are in a very controlled environment. Like let's suppose if you are in an environment and you feel like I'm in absolute control of this, you feel confident and your breathing is absolutely calm and peaceful and deeper. But if you are stressful, it's like faster. Like whenever we are fearful, stressful, full of anxiety, it's faster. So how to change the breathing? So these are some of the processes that, like meditation, breathing, changing the mindset. The way some of the things we have discussed so far is that how to let go of the guilt, so that we should not carry that burden. Like in many people cases, they are having this mental health issue because when they were sick or someone close to them were sick, they feel this guilt that they could have done it better. They could have done it in a different way. So even if either they have lost someone, or even if everyone is recovered from it, they are carrying the guilt. Or they are feeling that, if I should not have gone to that particular place, maybe I would have never got this COVID. So they are carrying that guilt. So that guilt has to be dissolved. And how can we dissolve that guilt? By doing some guided meditation, rewiring the brain, doing the process. Because at this point, like you said, and what we have seen, people have recovered from the physical health issue. But that mental and emotional recovery has to be done, that transformation has to be done, so that then only all of us can move forward positively. Right?